you can log into your Commerce Bank account. So if you want to log into your Commerce online banking, it is a very quick and easy process which only takes a few steps. So first of all, open any web browser you have and then search for Commerce Bank. Once you search for it, click the very first link that pops up, and this will open up the official website of Commerce Bank. And from here, you can choose your account type. For example, it's the first one is online banking. So if you want to continue with that, just choose the option and then enter your customer ID right here. Once you enter it, just click on login. This will take you to the login portal of the Commerce Bank. So right here, if you enter your customer ID, you can enter your password right here like so. And if you somehow forgot your ID, you can just click on this link, which will help you recover your ID. And then if you forgot your password, just click here and this will send you a reset link on your email or your phone. So, and another thing, if you want the browser to remember your login details so that you don't have to log in every time, just check this box and you can simply click on login after entering your valid customer ID and password. And that's how you can easily log into your Commerce Bank. Thank you for watching.